Guys, just a quick walk around on this truck. Look at that grill, painted to match, V8 emblem in the middle, stainless steel bumper that's all polished, tucked in nice on the truck, chrome headlight rings. Fit and finish on this thing is good. Look at the beautiful shine on that thing. Look down the side, not wavy. Fenders are pretty good. Look at these mirrors. This thing's exceptional. It's got a bullet tip on the front of the mirror. Really classy looking. Of course, all the glass is good on this thing. Down the door we go. Gas inlet. You can see the beautiful shine on that rear fender. Check out the wood in the bed. Beautiful. Stamped Ford in the tailgate. Of course, you've seen it before, but the 18-inch American torque thrust and the polished Wilwood brakes, disc brakes. Stainless steel tail lights, stainless steel polished bumper. Look at the hardware, is beautiful. There's that Ford stamped in the back. You can just see that this paint job is slick. Got the holes in the corner of the bed there with the aluminum put in them. Check out the shine on that fender. All the way around, this truck is just a beautiful piece of art. And anybody would love to own this baby.